Welcome back to Explore Error. In this video, we will talk about how to fix Smart App Control blocked an app that may be unsafe on Windows 11. Click on Start, open Settings. On the left side, select Privacy and Security. Click on Windows Security. Then click on Open Windows Security. On the left, click on App and Browser Control. Then click on Smart App Control Settings. From here, turn off Smart App Control. Don't worry about the warning, you can turn it on again easily. Just follow the steps. Click on Yes, I'm sure. And again, click on Yes. Now you can install the application that was blocked by Smart App Control. After installing the application, click on Search, type regedit, and click on Open. Click on Yes. Here, you need to go to this location. I have mentioned the path location in the description. You can copy and paste it here. Double-click on Verified and Reputable Policy State and change the value Data from 0 to 1. Then click on OK. Now let's check if Smart App Control is on or still off. Here you can see it is on. So that's how you can fix Smart App Control blocked an app that may be unsafe on Windows 11. See you in the next video.